There is a new urgency to transform our cities and our retail spaces into smart, connected environments that function with the same level of convenience and personalization as our digital spaces and deliver high value to users and operators alike. The promise of a smart, connected city has long been out of reach, hindered by the high cost of hardware and fiber optic infrastructure. We set out to solve the cost and connectivity challenge of connected cities and retail spaces. Juganu transforms the physical space into an interactive landscape of opportunity and insight. Juganu's solution is a platform, nimble hardware, a scalable network, and a growing ecosystem of native and third-party apps, built to harness the connected hardware and mine high-quality data. Fast to deploy, cost-effective to run, environmentally friendly by design, and powerful enough to address the evolving needs of the city and its residents. Vital strands of data are brought together for the first time within a single platform. Traffic flows, the movement of people, environmental, safety, and user behavior data delivered in real time. Juganu is modular and scalable, designed for fast and low-cost implementation, energy-saving, and sustainable by design. An urban light fixture comes pre-assembled with Wi-Fi and 5G access points, optical sensors, and low-energy LED lights, installed in under 10 minutes. A city can be lit up at the speed of changing a light bulb. New apps on the Juganu platform do not require additional hardware or network services. The platform operates like a smartphone, a single platform supporting an ecosystem of apps and connectivity across distributed access points. Juganu means transformation, as personal as a single life transformed for the better, and as global as the world around us. Physical becoming digital at the point of light. Let's connect our world.